Cartman? What the hell are you doing dressed up like an Indian with a bear necklace?
Native American, Stan, and the bear is very important to my people.
What?
Hey, the white man has mocked my people long enough. You keep your goddamn mouth shut. Stan, I need to borrow your bike to ride over to the reservation.
What are you talking about, Cartman?
My name isn't Eric Cartman, it's Eric Runningwater. Now, can I borrow your bike, or do I have to kick you in the nuts and steer it?
Go ahead, dude. Man.
And Bear cried to Eagle, "Running Water, there is some kid here to see you." "What kid?" "He claims to be your kid."
Hi, Dad.
"Who the hell are you?"
I'm your son, Eric. My mom says you put your hoo-hoo dilly in her cha-cha at the drunken barn dance.
"Your mother?"
Deanne Cartman.
"Cartman?" Oh boy, I was worried there for a second. Look, kid, I'm not your father.
But my mom says you were the guy she was with.
Kid, I hate to break this to you, but your mother is what we Native Americans refer to as Bear with Wide Canyon.
What do you mean?
She is doe who cannot keep legs together.
Huh?
Your mom's a slut.
Aye.
Don't feel too bad. Your mom was just too drunk to remember what happened. Let me tell you.
His tongue? Chef? Chef is my dad?
He's the last person I saw with your mom that night.
Oh my God. I'm a black African American.